hear little pops and bangs, stay tuned.
Alright guys, we're back with a brand new video on the Jetta. We're going to be doing some headlight restoration on these freaking yellow ass, bogus ass, smoky. They're not that bad, but they could be better, and we're just going to restore them with the Meguiar's. I got a lot of people telling me that this is like the best one, so like we're going to try this out and then we'll see if it's good. Alright, so the first thing we're going to be doing is make sure we prep this. So we're going to just try to tape around here so that way we don't sand down any of the paint, even though these are like these aren't even painted, but we're still going to do it just for, what's it called, just so that it can stay clean, even though it's not that clean. But yeah, we're just going to prep it, so I'm going to do that right now. Alright guys, so we're just gonna, what are you using? We're using blinker fluid wipes, you know, and there you have it boys. Headlights restored, link down in the description. Blinker fluid wipes, they're not your typical AutoZone wipes. They're blinker fluid wipes. They're especially meant for, you know, headlights like these, and there you have it. Nice and fit. Comment down below. Comment down below, and subscribe for more videos. See you guys in the next one. Alright, so all jokes aside, that was just a joke, you know. I hope you guys laughed or cringed or whatever. But now I got both of these headlights prepped. Not the best tape job, but you know, it's just enough so that we don't scratch either the bumper or the fender. And now we're just gonna attach, I think it's 1,000 grit that came with the Meguiar's restoration kit, and I'm also gonna add some water. That way it's like, it doesn't like scratch it up terribly. You know, I know these aren't like in worse condition, but I want them to look better and shinier. So you know, I'm gonna just try this out, this new product out, and I'll see if it's any good, and then you guys can buy it if you guys want. Once again, you want to use circle motions, not like this. You guys want to use circle motions. That way, it's easier, and it's a lot of people recommend you do circle motion instead of just doing that. It's supposed to get this cloudy, so don't worry about like, you know, it getting permanently damaged. It's supposed to get this cloudy. You know, we're trying to like sand off the dirt and like the clear coat. That way we can polish it up, make it look shinier and shit. Damn. Alright, so we're just going to take this one off. I'm going to use the 3000 grit. Put this shit on there. And then we're going to do the same thing again. Wet it a little bit. Make sure it's evenly wet. put some of the sandpaper. Just do the circle motion. Shout out McGuire's, came through. If you're watching this video, go ahead and sponsor my ass. No, I'm just kidding. Damn, this fucking towel's already wet. Give me one of those blue towels. Just so I can dry this shit up. We're gonna use some of this Plastic X clear plastic cleaner and polish. Okay, so we're gonna use a tiny bit of amount. What the fuck is not coming off? Oh, I think I can see it. Oh shit. Toothpaste. Screw this hoe on here. Okay. So we're supposed to use like a, I think that's that much, right? Like nickel size? Isn't that nickel size? We'll just add a little more. Fuck it. Alright, let's see if I can do this. Let me just... It actually fucking works. Other than all this shit flying around, but we'll just clean that up. Come on, McGuire's, you need to fucking get a better pad. This shit low-key kind of going everywhere. Alright, now that we're done like buffing them and stuff, as you can see, they're a lot shinier. Let me get this lamp real quick. Show you guys since the lighting's pretty bad in here. But look at that. Other than all this lint that's all over, I'm gonna get it washed. Don't worry about that. But this headlight's looking a lot better and shiny. Now we just need to hit it with some of your freaking Windex, and then add the protectant that the kit came with. Shop towel. Make sure it's dry. Once again, I recommend that you guys use microfiber towels, but since we don't have any, we're just gonna say fuck it and send it. And since we're probably gonna get new headlights anyways, it really doesn't matter. It's just a temporary fix. So now that it's freaking dry, alright, now we're gonna add this headlight coating. So I'm pretty sure we just dab it on here and then wipe it. So I'm just gonna dab a little bit on here. Get it nice and the nice formula in there. And then we're just gonna wipe it in here. This should prevent it from going back to that nasty ass smoky look. This is bad for your trim and your paint. I'm gonna put this back in this box. Close it up tight. You want to wipe off the excess from the trim if you got any of it on it. This could eat up your paint or damage it. So you want to be safe and then just clean it up. There you go. Headlights look a lot cleaner. Other than all this lint and bullcrap around my car, don't worry about that. And these came out way cleaner. Man. So I'm gonna give this product a 10 out of 10. What do you think, Adele?
Mint.
Let's fucking do it. So now we're just gonna go take this to the car wash and wash off all this lint. That way it could look presentable, more presentable than it is right now. Alright, so now that the car is clean, the headlights are clean, honestly, wasn't expecting much of a change, but as you guys can see, they're crystal clear, like some freaking BBS diamonds. And yeah, we went to go take her to wash off all the lint. It's a little bit wet right now, but once we dry it down, it'll be nice and mint. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, but you know, I just wanted to get out some content and show you guys how you guys can restore your headlights. It's pretty easy and simple. You can do it at your house, whatever. All you need is a drill, and, you know, some elbow grease, and that's about it, honestly. But yeah, like, comment down below, and subscribe for more videos. We'll be bringing out some more mods for this Jetta, hopefully. But yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.
I'm a cop one, and you gon' work at two. They go from the 10, how you pay 22.